190 farmers are facing arrest for defaulting on their loans with two different banks. Farmers in Belgavi, in Chamrajpet and in Gokak will take to the streets to protest against these banks. The Chief Minister of the state, Kumaraswamy, had promised loan waivers to the farmers of the state before he was sworn in as the head of the government. But right now, as we can see, that the farmers are being pulled up for defaulting on their monthly installments. Shrija joining me on the phone line. So Shrija, why are the farmers out in protest? Where exactly did things go wrong? Because there were so many assurances made and a huge allocation also, in fact, done for addressing farmer grievances, particularly farmer loans. Why is it that today the farmers are protesting for being pulled up for defaulting on loans?
Well, that's the irony as far as Kumaraswamy government is concerned here in Karnataka. Now, remember, a couple of months ago, we saw how the manifesto itself stated that Kumaraswamy's manifesto that he will, if he comes to power, he will ensure that the farm loans are completely waived off. But we see that the government immediately came under a lot of criticism after he failed to do so. But we saw just a couple of months ago, this is in the month of June, we saw that he waived off loans in two different phases. However, the sorry state of affairs is that the farmers, even after 6 months, have not received these loans. The farmers were of the opinion that they will wait until they get the loan and so that it can get waived off, especially in the private banks. But unfortunately, we see that the private banks could not wait for the government to waive off the farm loans. Instead, they went ahead with the check which had already bounced, and that immediately led to in fact, the arrest warrant which have been issued from the court.
Right. So that is why the government should intervene now, Shrija. Like you said, it's just about the timing, and the defaulting has happened even before the sanction of the money that the government has promised to waive off the loan. Thanks very much for joining us.